Hi guys, how are you feeling today? Good? Perfect. Whoa! My name is Amos. I'm RubiQ CEO, and I'm going to tell you all about our venture. RubiQ is a young startup on a mission to help airlines turn flight disruptions from crisis to opportunity using AI-based communication. In 2018, over 1 billion passengers suffered from flight disruptions, in a total of 12 million disrupted flights, costing the airlines over $60 billion a year. The average Tier 1 airline loses up to $100 million a year due to manual and fragmented disruption recovery process. Today, passengers queue up in long lines waiting for checking staff to manually rebook them one by one. In case of an overnight delay, there is a need for hotel accommodation, after that, to order transportation, and eventually, to deliver the compensation to the passenger. But that is all a thing of the past. I would like to introduce Hercules, the disrupted passenger's one-stop shop, all from the palm of his hand. Designed for the passenger and enforced by the airline policy, RubiQ is turning what was once a crisis into an opportunity to show the passenger the airline cares about him, and to significantly improve brand loyalty, reduce rebooking fees, and accelerate response times by allowing the passengers to choose from personalized alternatives, flights and hotels, to simply order transportation, to claim the compensation directly, or even get a coffee voucher while they wait. Our passenger-facing side of the product is a hybrid AI assistant, which enables the passengers to self-manage the disruption, preventing from long lines to accumulate with no app to download, while creating a frictionless process both for the passenger and the airline. Our hybrid AI assistant utilizes conversational UI to guide the passengers through the process in our web app, while we use personalization to ensure every passenger gets the attention she deserves. Our airline-facing side of the product consists both of a control panel and dashboard, enabling the station staff full control throughout the disruption, so they could focus on the passengers who need them most. The technology behind the scenes is our proprietary allocation engine, which is based upon advanced machine learning and game theory allocation algorithms, which produces personalized alternatives depending on passenger characteristics, real-time and the optimal reaccommodations, even in major disruptions, and predictions regarding passenger behavior. Our business model is a white-label tiered pricing strategy, which for more conservative airlines, we offer a monthly license fee that is volume-based, and for more innovative airlines, we offer a usage model that is dependent on the number of passengers we reaccommodate. We are talking about a $2.5 billion opportunity with just one airline generating over $2.7 million in ARR. But why us, you ask? We're not just another chatbot company. We have a different approach. We first started from solving the puzzle behind the rebooking problem, and backed by our allocation technology, which is currently used by the Israeli Defense Forces, we are able to offer an end-to-end platform while centralizing the entire process through our one-stop shop. Our team is comprised out of 3 hungry, passionate, and committed founders, each with a technical background. And together, we've already developed and sold an allocation technology for the Israeli Defense Forces, a technology which we are now leveraging in order to take over the travel industry. In our advisory board, you can see former executives from Amadeus and Sabre, the largest IT providers in the industry, and former CEO of LATAM, Chile's largest airline. But to really understand the essence of this team, I would like to tell you what we have already achieved throughout SigmaLab's program, SigmaLabs. So in the last 3 months, since we took our first real step towards product market fit, we started our beta with Israel. We secured our pre-seed investment from a strategic investor, a leading travel management company. We've got accepted to two of the most hottest and most exclusive accelerators in the whole travel industry, Plug and Play in Silicon Valley, and Hunger 51, which is backed by the International Airlines Group in Madrid. Programs, which include, among others, pilots with Iberia and Vueling, Spain's largest flagship carrier and low-cost carriers. We've scheduled a paid pilot with All Nippon Airways, the largest carrier in Japan, for mid-January. And on March 20, we are planning on penetrating the travel management domain alongside our design partner and strategic investor, Dharma. We are now raising our seed round in order to continue this exponential growth. So if you would like to help us disrupt flight disruptions across the entire travel industry, let's talk. Thank you very much, guys.